If you are a complete beginner who has never bought domain and hosting for the first time, watch this video to the end because I'm about to review to you how to purchase domain and hosting using Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the best hosting providers you can use to purchase domain for your online store, whatever business you're doing, or whatever type of website you want to build. If you're new here, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If you want to sell online, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you want to make money online, consider subscribing as well. Let's get right into it. So now, to purchase domain and hosting for your online store using Hostinger, you just want to come to your browser and type faithamole.com/Hostinger. You don't want to go to the website direct, because if you go there, you will not be able to get a 20% discount. That's why you need to buy from someone's link. This is my link. So also leave this link in the description of this video. Just click on it, or you type it on your browser, www.faithamole.com/Hostinger, and it will bring you here. As you can see, you are invited to Hostinger, get 20% extra discount. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you exactly how to get this 20% discount without stressing yourself. So as soon as you land here, next thing you have to do is just go straight to the point. You want to claim the deal right away. To bring you to this place, as you can see, there are 3 levels of hosting you can pick from here. And in this video, I'll also show you how to get a free.com domain. You just want to come here and choose any of the hosting, but I will suggest you start with the business plan because it gives you so many advantages. You have so many things. You're giving up to 50 websites to host. On this particular hosting, you are giving 50 gig of world's fastest NVMe, alright, storage, and you are giving 5 mailboxes. You have a lot. You have free email for the first 1 year. You have a lot of things to enjoy. One of my websites is running on Hostinger. Just choose the plan. As soon as that is done, just wait for it. It will take you to the cart. As soon as it takes you to the cart, you can decide to go for a period of 1 year, which is 12 months, 2 months, or you go for 3 months, whichever one. I will choose 12 months, which is 1 year. If you pick this particular one, you're getting what? A free.com domain. So you just want to go ahead. As you can see, for using my link already, you've been given 20% discount. Is that not amazing? Then if you want to search for your domain, you can decide to get the domain here. Let's say I want to go for faith or whatever .com. So let's see, it's going to check the availability of that domain. Can you see that you're getting it free of charge? Just click on it to add it to your cart. As soon as that is done, you will move ahead. Look at the 2 items we're buying now. Looking at, this is the domain we are purchasing. Domain registration for 2 years. Okay, I went for 3 years. I should have reduced it. Let me quickly go back to where I was. Just click on choose plan. I pick 12 months. So let me quickly add a domain. I have to choose faithamole.com. Let's see what it gives us for the first 1 year. So we are adding this to the cart. As you can see, you're getting free domain for 1 year. That's absolutely amazing. I can choose the domain duration 1 year. If you choose 1 year, it is free. Can you see? But if you choose 2 years, you get a discount. You can get 1 year free while you pay for 1 year. Can you see it? So we're going to stick to 1 year. So that was what we skipped earlier. You can see that in this item or in this cart, you have 2 items: a 1 year hosting, you have 1 year domain absolutely free of charge, and you are getting 10% discount as well. That's amazing. You have money back guarantee, and this is why I love Hostinger. For the next 30 days, if you don't like their services, you can decide to opt out and they will give you a full refund. To click on this, you're going to sign up and log in. So I'm not going to do that because I've done that, and I have a full video on this channel on how to process domain and hosting live till you are done. So that video is going to walk you through the entire process of purchasing domain, and I will link that video in the description of this video. So it's going to be the first video you will see down there, and then you'll be able to purchase it one at a time. It's something pretty simple. It's beginner friendly. You know, on this channel all I teach is beginner ways of getting these things done. So it's going to walk you through the entire process just as easy as you can. Make sure you watch that video, and also leave the link to that video up here by the right hand side. Make sure you watch it to the end to buy the domain and hosting you want. See you in my next video.